Christopher 1995 asks, what are the stupidest upgrades that people buy? And I got a couple good ones for this. Memory. Now, memory can make a big difference to performance, but only if you need it. If you check your system RAM consumption and it's well under the amount you have installed, adding more is going to do absolutely zero zilch nada for you. Another big one is I hate watching people buy overkill coolers for mid-range performance parts. If you're spending $300 on a GPU and then $100 on a water cooler for it, buy a $400 GPU. It's going to perform way better. Shout out Nexigo for sponsoring this short.